Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Maldives. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you will get on this site called Coinbase, and if you go register from the link, you will get $10 for free worth of Bitcoin. Now, when you're going to be in here in Coinbase, you need to buy like Bitcoin here, view asset, and you can buy up to 3,100 euro of Bitcoin. Pay with, you can go with the bank, you can add a payment method and preview the buy. Now right here you're gonna see your bank account, price, purchase, Coinbase fee, and then you will have your own Bitcoin, and then you can simply sell it. I see it right here, total payout, and then in portfolio you can simply withdraw the money, right? So this is pretty much it and how you can do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.